guys, welcome back to Namthip Cuisine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make omelette with minced pork. Before you enjoy the video, please click the button down below, like, share, and subscribe. I have to recommend the ingredients you have to prepare. Let's begin. First step, I'm gonna prepare the egg. Break the egg into the bowl. And beat the egg. Add fish salt, 1 tablespoon. Add white pepper as you like. Add the minced pork and beat all together. Add green onion and mix all together. And go to the next step. Step 2. Set up the heat on the pan. Put the palm oil into the pan on the high heat. Waiting until the oil gets very high hot. Add the egg and turn on the heat to the medium heat. Fry the egg until the egg gets golden color and turn them over. Fry the egg until they get the golden color and crispy. Drain the egg and take off from the pan. Omelette with minced pork is well done. Thai omelette with minced pork ready to serve. It's super easy, super delicious. I can do it and you also can do it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next menu. Goodbye.